Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods here. So I've done two survival tins. I've done a small one and a large one from Polymath Products. So those videos are up here. Now I'm going to mix it up a little bit. I'm going to do a box from RJ Bushcraft. Right, so this is the RJ Bushcraft 20-pound mystery box. So I paid for this myself. So that he didn't give it to me or anything. So this is an honest review of this. Now I'm going to show you what's in this box. If you don't like what's in this box, then put a comment down below and say what you don't like about it. That way that criticism can be passed over to RJ Bushcraft. If you do like it, just give me a thumbs up and let me know that you do like it. So like I said, I paid £20 for this. You pre-order it and he puts a box together, then sends it to you. So let's have a look now. Fucking kids. They're not even mine. Right, so like I said, this is a £20 box. So for £20, you get some tinder here. I've used that before, that's good. You get a wind-up torch. That's priced up at $6.99. The tinder's priced up at $2.99. You get one of these, if I can get it out, little survival cards. No price on that one, I'll have to look in the sheet. The big item you get is a travel bullet light for £4. You get a little paracord bracelet, and the last item is a handmade fire steel. So that one has the bullet casing handle, and it's a good size ferro rod, but that's everything. So let's just lay this out a second, because after that you just get a little bit of literature from RJ saying that, you know, they're Scotland's bushcraft people and all the rest of it. So I'll put the information to get to the boxes description box below, but let's just show you what you get. So remember, this is a £20 box here. This could be a quick and dirty video because it's just straight up that, okay? So that's everything. So that's RJ Bushcraft's £20 mystery box. Let me know what you think in the comments section. If you think it's good value there or something can be, you know, improved on. Don't give me a thumbs down because you don't like it. This is what it is. I'm telling you, I'm showing you what you get if you order the box. So this is more of an information thing, so don't take it out on me if you don't like it, as usual. I was getting grief for the last video about the Polymath Products box and what it's missing, but I mentioned all that in the video, but I'm not going to rant. But let me know what you think. Like I said, thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.